The ARC 200DP is a versatile multi-process welding machine designed to adapt to both 110V and 220V power sources. It supports MMA, pulse MMA, and lift TIG welding. Equipped with hot start, arc force, high-frequency pulse, and VRD functions, this welding machine ensures excellent performance with 5.0mm electrodes. Its 71V OCV enables swift and precise arc initiation, guaranteeing a seamless and efficient welding experience. Post-MMA welding of the ARC 200DP boasts exceptional abilities to stir the molten pool evenly, preventing porosity and ensuring robust and deep penetration. Additionally, the machine offers lift TIG welding ability, making it perfect for welding thin metal sheets with precision. ARC 200DP serves various scenarios and will be your perfect partner for both indoor and outdoor tasks.